This video, I will be showing you how to reset a Bosch washing machine. For that, the process is very simple and easy. What you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it, and I'll be providing the right information for you guys to get your issue done, issue fixed. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon. So what you exactly have to do is to reset an error code on washing machine by Bosch. Press and hold down on the spin button and simultaneously turn the dial to the 7 o'clock position. Hold the spin button for around 5 seconds and then release it. Turn the dial to the off position. So this is one method. The other is the turn cycle select to off. Turn to the new cycle, press start and pause button. Wait for the flashing lights and then press start and pause button. So this is how you guys can do it. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. And there is another method which you guys can do is to simply follow these simple 4 steps. That is written over here. Uh, that will do it. Again, if you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.